So this next slide is one that I've shared with you before. It's updated as of today from the Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation from the University of Washington. And as you can see, it has a forecast of our cases in North Carolina, looking at a projection of worst case scenario, probable being the middle line, and then what would be the best case if vaccines keep going up, the rate of vaccinations goes up along with more people wearing masks. So you could see that the worst case scenario could be we could have more cases than we had in late December or January. That remains to be seen, but we definitely have seen quite an uptick in the past month. As I said, we're averaging now over this past 2 weeks 101 cases per day, whereas this time in July we were only averaging 8 to 10 cases per day. It's probably I don't know if it's, I wouldn't say 50-50, but like I said, last week we did the first day and the only day last week that we had the gift cards on Wednesday. We gave between Crystal Towers, we gave about 45 cards away, and we did 250, 255, so 300 between both events, Health Department and Crystal Towers. The next day, without gift cards and immediately telling people that we didn't have gift cards and making the media known and social media, we still had 150, 160 people come through. Now, Friday, it was even less, probably 50 or 60. So I still see, with employers and just with people, a lot of times people would come up and just say, well, I'm already here, I'm gonna just go ahead and do it. Now, that isn't to say that we still had people that came and we didn't have gift cards and they said, okay, I'll come back later. I don't know the ratio, if it's 50-50. Obviously, some people wanted to wait and come when they had gift cards. And we have seen those individuals come back. We recognize them. And they were true to their word. They waited and they came back. Well, I mean, even before Delta, I mean, for months now, we've been working with some employers for vaccine. I think I would say, to broaden that out, Richard, I would say that Delta has made more people just in general aware. If you remember when the governor came, I mean, that was a few weeks ago now. I remember that there was one of the news agencies, it may have been your agency, or interviewed a couple that said, hey, we've been hearing about Delta and this is serious. Well, now I think people should even take it more serious because of what we're seeing about how contagious it is. Just very, very contagious as chickenpox. So I think Delta has got the attention of a lot of people.